Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Programmer's Choice. Welcome to 30 Days of JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that is used to create dynamic and interactive websites. Whether you are new to programming or looking to expand your skills, this 30-day guide will help you master the fundamentals of JavaScript and build a strong foundation for web development. Throughout the next 30 days, you will learn the basics of JavaScript, including variables, data types, loops, functions, and arrays. You will also explore more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, DOM manipulation, and asynchronous programming. Each day, you will be provided with clear and concise explanations, practical examples, and challenging exercises to reinforce your learning. By the end of this 30-day journey, you will have a solid understanding of JavaScript and the ability to create dynamic and interactive web applications, whether you have a specific project in mind or are simply looking to enhance your programming skills. This course will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to succeed. So, welcome to 30 Days of JavaScript. Get ready to dive into the world of programming and unleash your creativity with one of the most popular and in-demand languages in the industry. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and master the art of JavaScript programming.